Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Styles Handmade Creations. Today I come to show you a Tonic Craft Kit. I am running behind on showing these. So let me see if I open the right one. I don't know if I'm doing it. Let me see. Alright, I'm just opening the box. Y'all know how the boxes come. Like this. Beautiful Tonic Craft Kit. I'm going to open it, but let me move this stuff out of the way. I've been busy. Don't want that stuff to fall. All right. Get in my chair so we can go through these goodies. So I'm going to put it to the side. And let's see what we got in this kit. All right, the first thing I see, card blanks. Yes, honey. Ivory card, ivory white, and it's 5x7. And you get 10 envelopes and 10 card blanks. Yeah, perfect. So you don't have to use your cardstock on the paper to make the envelope, whatever, you know what I'm saying. To make the card. All right, so the first thing I love to show is the paper. It comes in this nice sleeve. First, let me see my little box here. Oh, now I remember what this is. Okay, let's put that back. All right, so let's call out these colors. I love when they give us samples of these colors, because then I can, you already have an example that when they do come out available for sale, then you're able to grab a pack of it. So this first one, let's see. This one is, I'm seeing how they did a different way. Is this satin? Yes. This is a satin. Oh, we got two? Yes, honey. They are the same color. Let me see. I'm going to make sure this is... I think this is satin. I don't think... Yeah, this is satin mirror card. Soft amethyst. But I got two sheets. Soft amethyst. Oh, that is very pretty. Then I got the pearl card. Pearlescent card. This is the one that is double-sided, and this is blue frost, and it says I was supposed to get two, so that's awesome. Beautiful. Then I got two of the classic card. This is cream. This palette is beautiful. I love this palette. It's colorway. Let's see. The second craft card is Sea salt, double-sided, of course. Classic cards are. This is very pretty. I love that. I have to use this. And then the next card stock that I got is, I was trying to see if there was another one. Aberdeen purple. This is very pretty. I love this. It's very pretty, and I was supposed to get two. It says it on there this time. And I got two of the satin mirror card, which is awesome, but it doesn't say two. So, I looked up on that. Look how beautiful that is. I love that. All right, so that is the beautiful paper we have. Now, let's look at the Nouveau. You know I love the Nouveau kits. Yes, honey, yes. Ooh, this month for whatever month it is, because I'm behind. This is one of the misting bottles. I already have one of these. I have several, but twist, pow, pow, pow. Look at that. Very good. This is a nice bottle. And then if you push it up, turn it to close. All right, there we go, because it ain't tight. But I love this. It's a light mist bottle, so it'll come out very light. You can put those sheen, make your own spray in here. Love it. Put the label around it so you can keep it. All right, this one is a crystal drop, and this crystal drop is buttermilk, and I think I have this one, so I'm gonna leave it in the bag. Buttermilk, very pretty. And then this is, what is this? Shimmer powder. Shimmer powder in falling leaves. I don't know if I have falling leaves, but that's a beautiful green color. Look at that. I might have it. I'm gonna leave it in the bag as well. Something sticky on there. I got a full container of embellishment mousse. This one is called Lilac Lavender. Look how pretty, guys. Lilac Lavender. That is a beautiful color. Ooh, yes! I love their ribbon. And so we also got the... What is this color? Is it on here? Yep. Aberdeen Purple. We have a ribbon this time. I'm absolutely loving this ribbon. And does it say it's 9mm? Let me see. You either get a 9mm or 3mm. So I got 3mm. I love the small ones like that. So they're able to fit through beads and stuff. That's why I love this size. So you were going to get either a 9mm or 3mm. So I'm happy I got 3mm. Alright, so that's what we got in the Nouveau pack. Last but certainly not least, we got wildflowers and florals. That's what this one, that's what this one is called. There's the sticker, wildflowers and florals. I like to put it right on the front. So let's take these out and let's look at them. I'm excited. Here is the stamp set that we get for this kit. And it says, birthday and wishes. Thanks for being you. Oh, I love that one. Sending love and kisses. You are in my thoughts. Sending butterfly kisses. Oh, I love that one. I love this one. It just has where you can stamp your own sentiment in between. And they gave you those too. Best friend, just for you, I miss you, thank you. Got a little heart here. And then it says, on this special day. So you can stamp these in between these cute little images there. I love that. That is so cute. So that's the stamp pad. Then, oh wow. Look at this huge die. So wildflowers and florals die set. Wow. And it's in a very thick... Oh, that must be the acetate. That's the acetate. I'm like, why is it so thick? Oh, wow. Look how beautiful, guys. Can y'all see that? These beautiful flower details. And this right here cuts out that hole here. It'll be a hole on the front of the card. And you can inlay this if you would like. So we'll go this way. I had it upside down. See how that fits? Yes, wow. And then here's some little tags. I like how they got this one where you can add the little eyelets in there. Or not eyelets, you know what I'm talking about. It's got the flat head on the top. So that you can make it look like a little buckle. And these fit perfectly in there. You can mat it. These go on top. Look at that. So add your embellishment with this wavy. That is kind of like a wavy around that oval. That's so cute. Oh, is that a... Oh my gosh. Awesome. I absolutely love this. When I first saw it, I thought it was just a circle, but it has a little hoop at the top. You can turn that into a swivel. One of those swivel things when it has a loop like that. Yes. And then it came with 3 sizes of flowers. Oh, and they have little hearts on in the center. This is just the circle. That must have been what I looked at first, but I looked at here and didn't see that. I'm happy about that. And then you also get this. Oh, wow. We get more layering. And this says, I can't read that. Let's see if they have it on here. Oh my gosh, it says, oh my gosh, this is so nice. So it'll be like this. And it says, if blank were flowers, I'd pick you. If blank. So you get the opportunity to put what you want to put in here. This one says sisters, mother, friends. Oh my gosh. If friends were flowers, I'd pick you. If mothers were flowers. Oh my gosh. I love that. And it also has a layering piece, guys. That is too cute. So let me show you an example of what someone did. Look at that beautiful detail. Oh, that is so pretty. And then on the card, so you open it up on the front panel of the card, the back panel will have that beautiful detail that's cut out, attached. Oh my goodness. And then look what they did to the envelope. So pretty. Then someone created a box that has a light inside. Amazing. Ah, I love it. This is a super cute kit. I love those sentiments. Did y'all get this kit, guys? I know some of y'all have signed up to get the kits. I'm so excited that y'all have. This is actually kit number 62. So everybody will know, kit 62. Wildflowers and florals. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.